I don't know if you remember this deal, but I'm going to give you an update. I only made $24,679.21. Those who follow my channel, thank you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Nasser, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a doer because I actually do this business. I'm gonna put the first part of this video in the link in the description so that you can watch the first part. Just to give you an update on this house, I actually closed on this property to the end buyer yesterday. This was an advanced strategy. I paid $250,000 for this particular property. I was under the impression that I could probably sell for $330,000. I actually had a verbal offer. A verbal offer is basically not on paper, where somebody verbally says, hey, listen, I'll pay you $334,000 for this property. So I had two offers from hedge funds. And with the two offers, one of them was 334. They sent out their guy, did an inspection. They came back extremely low, like 290 or 280. I said, nah, we can't do that. Another organization, they told us around 325, and we were going to net around 312 after fees and everything. We were like, all right, great, let's do it. But they disappeared when the rates went up. And we didn't have a contract, but the rate hike went up, so they wanted to see how the market was going to adjust to the rate hike. From there, I said what I'm going to do. I have this property. I'm in at a good price. It's worth $412. I'm at $250. What I did was, now granted, I already had money cost on there, the hard money cost on there. I said what I'm going to do is I'm going to list the property. Call my realtor up. We list the property. We listed it for $330, right? You know, it's worth $412. It does need some work, about $30,000 in work. Great. So, being that we need, it needs about $30,000 in work, it's worth $412. We listed it for $330. We got a lot of activity on it. Neighborhood's pretty popular. We got an offer, and then the offer, it came in $305. And they did the one inspection and all that, and I said, hey, I'm good with the inspections and all of that. Cool. It passed the inspection. Now we're at $305,000. This is the only hard offer we had. So after being on, we was on the market for about 7 days or so, right? 7 or 10 days. Let's use a larger number, 10 days. So we got the offer. Now, after paying my commissions, my real estate commissions, that was about $15,000 in just real estate commissions. And that was discounted. Instead of it being 6%, it was 5%. So that was discounted because I have a relationship with my realtor. So paid about $15K in commissions. We had hard money costs. Our cost basis was $257,500. The payoff was around like $260 something, because with hard money you get charged interest daily. So it was around $260 something. After everybody got paid, the attorneys and all that, we walked away with $24,279.21. We thought we were going to make 50, but we only made 24, okay? So I want you to comment below, right? Should I have just rehab the house and try to make about 80,000, or should I just, was it okay to get the quick nickel? Comment below, because I know the first time we made a comment, but now that we got reality, everything's happened. We got the full scenario. Was $24,000 worth my time? It's now it's July. I closed on this property in June. So I bought the property in June, closed on it in July. Was $24,000 for about 45 days worth of ownership, worth my time. Okay. So 45 days worth of ownership worth my time, $25,000, or should I taking the risk and put it on the market? Now, rates have went up. The market of Charlotte, prices have not gone down. Houses are still selling if it's priced correctly. This strategy is for my advanced students. I put this in there on dealing with hedge funds and all that, but this is more of an advanced strategy, okay? The reason I say that because things can go wrong, and I need for you to be able to handle those situations when they go wrong. Worst case, if I had to rehab it, I would have rehabbed it. You know, I still got another offer listed with a realtor. We made 50% of what we thought we was gonna make, and I'm gonna move on. Now, if you didn't watch the first video, I'm gonna put the first video right next to me. So just click on the first video that's next to me, man, and comment below what you think, man. Make sure you like this video, man. Help me out.